the freak in the knees, give me reason to be the last motherfucker breathing. Bust my automatic rounds, catching while they sleeping. Now I'm the last motherfucker breathing. Stress, my bust the freak in the knees, give me reason to be the last motherfucker breathing. Bust my automatic rounds, catching while they sleeping. Now I'm the last motherfucker breathing. Woke up with 50 enemies plotting my death. All 50 seeing visions of me shot in the chest. Couldn't rest, no, nigga, I was stressed. Had me creeping round corners, homie sleeping in my vest. Shit, I'm like a hostage on the trouble block. Call the cops, a thug nigga screaming west side. Busting double blocks, hitting corners in my Chevy Suburban. Liquor got me driving up on the curb, hand on the steering wheel. Swerving, bless me, Father, I'm a sinner. I'm living in hell, just let me live on these streets. Cause ain't no peace for me in jail. Getting worldwide exposure. What about your niggas that don't give a fuck? Riding as my soldiers. I'm just releasing more the war path, not your average dealer. West side outlaw, bad boy killer. Complete my mission, my competition, I'm on the beefing. I murdered all the busters, now I'm the last motherfucker straight. A buster free in the leaves, give me reason to be the last motherfucker breathing. Busting my automatic rounds, catching while they sleeping. Now I'm the last motherfucker. Make sure I hold my position, stand firm in the dirt. For all my soldiers gone, we burning the earth. Outlaws worldwide, we back the block. Shooting rocks at the kid outs, bust back the pop. Ass shot, here to tell you that it's hell down here. Stale down here, too many jails down here. Why you act like you don't hear me? Young local outlaw, till these motherfuckers kill me, I'm still we was raised, fuck this life, my role's my right. Holding on the tight, with death on my sight. And the dark is my light, I'm sinner who sleepwalking isn't true. Walk around town with a pad full of food. Came a long way from a 4-day, dead away with his foreplay. Fuck friends, I'll say, brother die for my AK with these bag ass niggas. Sit through glass ass niggas. Only rock my nigga to get him a mash ass niggas. Breathless. I bust the freak in the knees, give me reason to be the last motherfucker breathing. Bust my automatic rounds, catching while they sleeping. Now I'm the last motherfucker breathing.
Yo, Dingy, come on.
Talk about a bad day, I live a life like that. It's severe, and I'm losing my hair. Bless a hooligans, catch me, I'm falling out flat. Yo, I'm ruining, breathing in suicide. No one give a fuck about it. I learned to like it like that when I was still in army. This not a city that the devil run from. In the belly of the beast, that's where the fuck we come from.
Shit, I'm totally wasted. They want me to face this. Just lost two of my coaches, they wanted y'all to take this. But I'm happy to the train, simple and plain. We never young, motherfucker, about to do it again. Shit, Pop still doing it. You hoes can't do it. 2 million every time we drop. I know you fuckers lose me. We moving it.